If you accidentally added the wrong collaborator on TikTok or simply want to remove somebody from a post, don't worry because the process is actually pretty simple in 2026. And honestly, a lot of creators run into this problem now, especially with TikTok, pushing more collaboration features recently. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a collaborator on TikTok step by step, what happens after removing them, and a few important things you should know before doing it. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Then find the video where the collaboration was added. Once you open the video tab, the three-dot menu on the side of the screen. Now, depending on the type of collaboration, TikTok may show different options. If the collaboration request is still pending, you can usually cancel it directly from the collaboration settings, but if the collaboration was already accepted, you'll need to remove the collaborator by editing or deleting the collaboration connection. Now, here's the important thing. In many cases, TikTok does not allow full editing of collaboration settings after a post is already live. So sometimes the only solution is removing the post completely or reposting the video without the collaborator. And honestly, this is the part many creators find frustrating, especially after a video already starts getting views. Now, another thing worth knowing. When you remove a collaborator, the post may disappear from the collaborator's profile depending on how the collaboration was originally set up, and any shared engagement connected to the collaboration may also be affected. Now let's talk about collaboration invites, because this is another area people get confused about. If somebody sent you a collaboration request, you can simply decline it, ignore it, or remove yourself before accepting. And honestly, that's much easier than removing a fully active collaboration. Later now, another important thing. TikTok updates features constantly, so some buttons and menus may look slightly different depending on your region, device, or app version, especially between iPhone and Android users. So if you do not immediately see the exact same options tree, updating the TikTok app first. Now, let's be honest for a second. The easiest way to avoid collaboration problems is checking everything carefully before publishing the video, because once collaborations are fully active, TikTok still gives creators limited editing flexibility afterward. So to wrap this up, to remove a collaborator on TikTok in 2026, you usually need to open the video, check the collaboration settings, and either remove the collaboration connection or repost the video without the collaborator if editing is limited. And honestly, TikTok still needs to improve this feature more, because many creators accidentally add the wrong people during posting. But once you understand where the collaboration settings are, the process becomes much easier.